It is Thursday? No, Friday, the 3rd of July. It is the 3rd of July, and I'm in here getting ready to see what I can do with these things. That's right, the T-Rex bars. Right now, it don't look like it's gonna work with my current foot peg. However, I'm gonna see if I take that off, if they look like they're gonna work. If not, I'm gonna order them quad mounts, foot pegs, or I may just get them anyway. That way, I ain't gotta worry about this in the way, and I'll just keep them as a backup, or maybe I could sell them. But that's right, today I'm in the garage. I ain't doing the install video because I don't think I'm good at installs, but I could do a don't do this video, because I'm probably gonna have a whole bunch of don't do this. Hey, we'll figure it out. You'll see something whenever I do it. All right, placed it over here, right? Put that on. Yeah, definitely ain't gonna work. Ooh, turn it the right way. Yeah, definitely ain't gonna work. So, you know what that means? It's a good thing I already put them on order. They're supposed to be here in a couple of days. So, step one of my install is removing these highway pegs, and then get into adding these T-Rex bars. So, don't do that. Go with your first instinct. My first instinct was to add the T-Rex bars and get the mounts, but I went with this. I went with the Omni pegs instead, so I didn't have to put T-Rex bars. But now that I know I'm putting them on, it is what it is. So we'll set up everything and we'll get to filming sometime. Right here, stripped. I need this, take this off so I can take the old highway peg off. Got that, and I got that. One of these is gonna work. Alright.
Several days later.
Alright, Nomads. I am working on installing my T-Rex bars. As you can see, I put everything back to where it's supposed to be like. I removed the foot pegs that I had, because I'm gonna put some new foot pegs onto these T-bars because the ones I had wouldn't work, right? So where'd I get so far? I removed the screws out of here, and I just broke the joint on this. Broke the I want to say the seal, so that's what we'll call it. I broke the seal on that, and you probably can't see it. So let me put the light on it. Does that help? There you go, right there. I just broke that up. Yes, yes, yes. So now, on to the next steps. Hey, look, this is my not so install video, okay? So I ain't showing you step by step what I'm doing, because you ain't gonna blame Tank when something go wrong. Nah, I'm just playing. I just felt like, oh man, I forgot to record. So we picking up from here. As y'all remember, I went down the swing shop to get the bolt taken out of the other side, and I put in the helix over there. So we rocking and rolling. All right, hold on. Fold out. Now I'm gonna line the T-bar up. Hey, I need to figure out how to do these install videos, I guess, cause I know right now y'all probably ain't seen this. Y'all probably not seeing this, and I want to make sure this goes all the way through. go. Oh no. No. I lost it. And this is why you need help. This is why you need help, Tank. Where did it go? I heard it fall. I see it, guys. Oh, I see it. Phew! I found it, guys. Yay! Alright, let's see why this ain't lining up, though. The right side is installed. Yeah, I see that. Man, let me grab my light. It is. Right side is installed. Hey, Kim and Matt, look. That's right. I got on my socks. My socks. So Matt ain't alone. I started out with the flip-flops. See where they at. So guys, now I am working on the left side of the bike, taking off these the highway pegs. I done took all the hardware off now. Now I'm taking out screws and taking it off the old crash bar so I can install the T-Rex bars and my Omni pegs. And for y'all that don't know, I'm not a mechanic. I just play one on YouTube. I am very frugal on some things. So when they gave me that $500 price point just to put them on, I was like, yeah, I can put them on myself. Go get me some water. You don't know about some good old water. Right here. That's right. And my Goldwing cup. Now that's high quality H2O. Alright. So we gotta get this bolt back here, which I already did. But now we gotta add, where you at? Some Loctite. I put Loctite on this one because once I put it in, I'm down to do just keep it in and then tighten it down. So it goes like that. Almost forgot about you. I want to be with you, girl. It's Friday night. Working on the Goldwing. Yeah, I got all that thread lock on my fingers instead of on the thread. Ha 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 ha. I should have worn my gloves, but I'm a hard-headed individual. Alexander Hamilton. Don't ask me what actually. All right. Boom, boom, boom. blinded me. But I need it. I need it. Put it right there. It's alright when you use the right bolt. I was using the wrong bolt the whole time. But I got it. Oh, I got it in. We gonna tighten it up though. So, loosen just a little bit. So when I get it where I need it, boom, bam, bam. We gonna lock it down. Hi. So now I did that. Did the bolt. Gotta get the bolt. It's the other hard thing to do. When you do that, take out these bolts. Thank you for rocking with me on my not so install video. Reverse take. Reverse. Chop, there, yeah. That's tight. Once I finish this, I gotta go back. I'm gonna take this one off, and then I gotta torque everything down. Once I torque everything down, I will be good to go. Boom, 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 boom. Let me bring y'all closer. Put this light right here, I guess. Take this one right here. Now, this one is the one I'm gonna loosen so I could take it off. But this right here, I did tighten it down. So now I can tighten it down so I don't have, we can, we'll be good to go once we put everything back together. So, alright, nomads, it is done. Whew! All back together, all torqued down. Hey, we are finished. Now, get these highway pegs on and the rear crash guards on. I'm gonna do that another day. But for today, we are done what we started. 4th of July weekend. Ran into some issues, but we got everything fixed. Hey, we good now. Boop, boop, boop. Hey, just remember, be good or be good at it.
To enjoy myself, allow me to enjoy